The Samsung Galaxy Z Fold4, the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4, the Samsung Galaxy Buds2 Pro, the Samsung Galaxy Watch5 and 5 Pro. Listen, man, we got it all. And I'm broke. This year might be the first year that I actually recommend a folding phone just because of how refined and how mature they are when compared to their older brothers and sisters and nephews and nieces. By the way, pre-order links will be down below in the description, and make sure you stay till the end of this video because I'm going to show you guys the insane deals that Samsung has going on. They're always running deals. How are they not out of business, dude? I really don't get it. Samsung, you need to teach me your tricks because this is insane. So the Flip 4 isn't really all that different from the Flip 3. I mean, if we look at the spec sheet, it's like 99% the same. The thing that did change with the Flip 4 compared to the Flip 3 is the thing that I was hoping for forever. The battery life and the charging time. I had the Flip 3 and I loved the Flip 3, but oh boy, does 15 watts of charging suck. It's so bad. It was so slow. And the battery life itself wasn't even good because of the Snapdragon 888 was just drinking the battery like, I don't know. I couldn't think of anything fast enough. So with the Flip 4, you're finally getting something that you should have gotten with the Flip 3, in my opinion. 25 watts of fast charging. I'm going to call it fast charging. Yeah, we got phones that can do like 2 million watts. All right, calm down. But listen, for folding phones, 25 watts in Samsung's realm is really good. In fact, it's the best. Also, the battery of the Flip 3 increased also from 3400 to 3700, and of course, it has that the new Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1. Hey, can we make these names a little easier? So that new Snapdragon chip is supposed to be much more efficient. So if you pair that up with the larger battery. I just hit my bottle. You should be expecting at least an hour longer of actually using the phone, maybe even more. I mean, that's a pretty nice pair, and I personally cannot wait to see how it performs because, man, that form factor is perfect. Another difference with the Flip 4 and the Fold 4 compared to the older Flip 3 and Fold 3 is now that the screen is more durable. I ask people, would you get a folding phone? A lot of them say, I'm not sure, okay, because they got a good reason, the screen. People are scared to pay $1,000 for the Flip 4 or even the Flip 3 and $1,800 to $2,000 on the Fold, and then they have a screen that can practically, well, I'm going to be honest, it can scratch and dent like really easily. So I don't blame them for kind of holding back on folding phones. But with the Fold 4 and Flip 4, the screen is now more durable on the inside, the part that actually folds. It's more durable. Now, what exactly does that mean? We don't really know yet. I'm going to wait until people actually do like a scratch test or whatever they're going to do. But nonetheless, it is supposed to be more durable than the counterparts from last year, and that's always a good thing. The cover display on the Flip 4 now shows kind of more info along with more widgets, and it's overall just a little refinement over the Flip 3, especially with that new hinge design, which is even lighter and thinner than before. And as always, like I said, Samsung's trade-in program / pre-order deals are so good, man. I honestly don't know how they're in business, but this is what you get. So if you own the Flip 3, Samsung is giving you $900 if you traded that in for the Flip 4. And you also get $200 of trade-in credit. And you get a free case and a free memory upgrade. And all you pay is $99 if you trade in the Flip 3 or any other phone that you saw on that list. I will gladly pay. If I had the Flip 3, I would gladly pay $100 just for the battery upgrades alone. But that's just me. You may be different, but I'm saying if you got the Flip 3 and you kind of want a little boost in battery life and overall have a more durable phone for $100 and you get all that goodies like the free case and all that, listen, I'm just saying I think it's worth it. The camera on the Flip 4 also got a nice little boost with the actual pixels being larger in size to basically help more capture in more light in a low lit scenarios. okay? And again, with that new Snapdragon chip, it should also improve the actual processing of the photos. So overall, photos should be great, videos should be great. I don't know, man. Overall, the more I'm looking at the Flip 4, I'm kind of liking it. I don't know. What do you guys think? As always, links will be down below. If you want to go check it out, do so. Now, the Fold 4. I pre-ordered it. Oh my God. But I only got it for like $800 because Samsung's trade-in program, like I said, is nuts. Every year I tell myself, no, I'm not going to get a folding phone. They're not ready yet. Nah. And of course, every year I still end up buying a folding phone, even though they're not ready yet. But I think this one is ready. The Fold 4 also has the tougher display compared to the Fold 3, and you get a nice little camera upgrade, which does feature the 50 megapixel main camera, along with the two 12 megapixel cameras for your ultra wide, as well as your 3x optical telephoto. The cameras on the Fold 4 also have the increased pixel size, so again, that means at night you should be expecting better photos and better videos. Now, the battery capacity on the Fold 4 stayed the same as on the Fold 3. You got 4,400 milliamp hours, but again, with that new upgraded chip, it should still technically mean better battery life. Now, how good is it? Well, I'm going to find that out whenever I do get the phone in hand, which I believe is August 25th or the 22nd, whatever it is. I'm going to make so many videos on it, so if you guys want, definitely stay tuned and check those out. Both the Flip 4 and the Fold 4 go up to 120 Hertz, and now the screens are supposed to be brighter when it comes to outdoor viewing, and the creases are also supposed to be less noticeable. So I'm kind of curious because I don't really care about the crease. In fact, using the Fold 3, well, and the Flip 3 that I've used, the creases don't really bother me that much. It's you know, it's not, I don't know. I guess I was never the person that felt the crease and was just like, I don't really mind it. But for those of you who do mind it, well, the Fold 4 and the Flip 4 are supposed to have a less noticeable crease in the middle. So we'll see. I mean, I'm going to get them in, so I'll see. The trade-in and promotions on the Fold 4 is even better than the Flip 4. So if you have the S22 Ultra or the Fold 3 or even the Fold 2, Samsung is giving you $1,000 if you trade that in, which knocks the Fold 4 down to $800. But that's not it. Samsung is also giving you $300 of Samsung credit and a free memory upgrade and a free case with the S Pen included. So yeah, I pre-ordered. You guys know me. I cannot pass up a good deal, and in my opinion, that is a damn good deal. And again, links will be down below if you guys are interested, if you want to upgrade your phone. I'm telling you, man, these deals are, they're hard to pass up on, man. Maybe that's why I keep buying folding phones every year, because the deals are insane. I feel like with Android 12L, which works with the larger displays, will really help me enjoy folding phones more than I did. Because with the past Samsung phones, if you open up an app that isn't really made for a large display, it just looks like an overblown phone app, which makes sense, obviously, but it just doesn't look good on the big, beautiful display. You get the app down the middle with the black bars on the sides. It just looks like you're using, it's like opening a non-iPad app on the iPad. It just looks weird and funky. But with Android 12L, which is made for larger displays, I'm super excited to finally try that out. And they showed a preview on Samsung Unpacked. They showed a preview of how TikTok looks using the Fold 4. And it's so nice, man. You got the comments on one side and you got the video playing on one side. So you can keep watching the video and read the comments simultaneously. That's exactly what I wanted. I mean, finally, you know, we're on our fourth or third generation of folding phones, and finally we're getting like actual app support for that larger display. And like I said, maybe that'll actually help me enjoy the phone even more. And I feel like it will, so we'll see. I mean, I cannot wait, man. I pre-ordered it, so yeah, I cannot wait. Come on. If you guys enjoyed today's video, or if I helped you save money with those pre-order deals, definitely click that like button. And if you're interested into seeing the Fold 4 in hands, where I do my no BS review, I always say it how it is, then feel free to subscribe if you already haven't. And if you did pre-order, which one did you get? I'm kind of curious because I want to know if more people are gravitating toward the Flip 4 or the Fold 4. Because last year I was more towards the Flip, but this year I think I'm more towards the Fold because of Android 12L. I cannot wait to test that out. Oh my God. So yeah, let me know. If you did pre-order, let me know which one you got and why you got it. And that's it. This was Mark from Mark's Tech. Adios.